Hello and welcome to this feature walkthrough video. Today we'll talk about export folder settings. So to access the setting on the plugin, you'll navigate to settings tab. Then you'll navigate to the third tab, which is export. And under export, the first tab is folder. As you may see, export to subfolders, we have three options here: all in export folder, PSD Mockup, and design file. The green color indicates that all in export folder is currently selected. If you want to switch the selection, you can just click on the other one. See, if I click on PSD Mockup, the selection goes to PSD Mockup. At a time, you can select any one of these three options. So what does this three export to subfolder options do? Let us explore this with a demonstration. So for the demonstration, I have a template folder. It has 5 PSD template, and you can look at the name: 01 primary, 02 secondary, lifestyle, and lifestyle. For the artwork folder, we actually have 6 artwork. So we have city maps: Los Angeles in gold, Los Angeles in silver, Los Angeles in white, and similarly we have same variations for the New York. So gold, silver, and white. So we have 6 artworks. Now I'll go to the Bulk Mockup plugin, and then for the PSD template folder, I'll select the template folder. For the design files folder, we'll select the artwork. And then for the export, we'll select the export folder. Next, we'll go to the settings. We'll keep all the settings intact. So this is all in export folder. I'll open all in the export folder here. Go back to the main tab and click on start generating. So remember, this is all in export folder, and I'll click on start generating. So it opens up the first template, and then it is exporting all the JPG mockups in the export folder itself. So we have 5 templates, 6 designs. In total, there will be 30 outputs. Already have 15 outputs. Let Bulk Mockup run this process, and within few seconds, we'll have all the export. So we have 30 export all dumped into one folder. And if you could look at the name of the export, it's design file name plus the template name. Now I'll delete all the export folder. I'll delete all the exported mockups. Now let us go to the settings, and this time around we'll select PSD Mockup. So once you select PSD Mockup, I'll open the export folder here, and then we'll go to main tab and click on start generating. So now it opens up the first template, and you can look at the export folder. It created a subfolder with the name 01 primary. If you could recall, we had 5 template, and we'll see 5 subfolders being created with the same name as the mockup name. So we have 01 primary. If I open this template, it has all the 6 exported mockups. So all these exported mockups for the primary template. Similarly, we have secondary template, secondary subfolder, and all the 6 mockup organized into this. So the PSD Mockup option organizes our exported mockups into subfolders, and the subfolders are created as many numbers of template we have in our template folder. I'll go back and delete the exported things. I'll go back and delete all the exported mockups. Finally, we'll select the design file, and as we have guessed it correctly, the design file subfolders will be created as per the designs that you have. So we had 6 artwork, 6 map, 3 for San Francisco, 3 for Los Angeles, and 3 for New York. So total 6 folders will be created. So I'll select design file here, go to the main tab and click on start generating. And you look, the subfolders are now being created by the name of the artwork file. So Los Angeles gold, if I open, so all the Los Angeles gold mockups are being exported. So we'll have 6 of them now. Similarly, Los Angeles silver. And New York white. So all 6 artworks has 6 different folders. So depending upon your workflow and your requirement, you can select any of these three export to subfolder options. Personally, I always go with design file, given that each of the design file is a new listing for my product, but you may have a different workflow and you are free to choose any of these three options. There's one edge case that you need to keep in mind. If you select all in export folder, you need to make sure that your exported file naming pattern has a unique naming convention. What I mean? So if I select all in export folder here, you go to the namings tab and then imagine that you only want the exported file names to be saved as design file name. So in this case, all our templates are to be dumped into one folder and there will be duplicates and it will overwrite the existing creation and you may end up getting very less mockups. So if I could scroll down, you'll see so these are indicated by red color, which means if we only select design file name, so there will be overwrite of files. So make sure that you select at least two unique parameters so that the naming is unique for all the export. So that's all in this feature walkthrough video. So if you have any doubts or questions, put them in the comment box. You can also reach out to us at support@bulkmockup.com. Thank you.